webare mnonga iwe owaguma aha TV West korgo mukasheshe mpaka na Jeskonda okuwa tureba kutwasha tuti twayigaranjiro mu program yebyamagara butosha etushikibwa haba akazire health products abine byo kunywa ebinta kuzagambira rugundo murundi abo kwa mbemanya mbekodiso mukasheshe no mwabazyo okushemeza amagara gitu manye tacho butunji charity ahabwa program eji kandi mwabazyo kutwatunga mugisha okutaya isa Dr. Kazire na team okubasa kwangira kutushoborera okuba ryo bakora amagara gitu researches barukora technologies barukoresa okugira ngo tubase kutunga amagara marungi ebinte byo mbuteka kandi bikutwara omesho ombyamagara tinguza kutwara kireka hango munterize mbakire bongere kube yanjura of course then nabwanyuma tutambure mpaka shaha ishatu mpaka shahina kuringisha tunecheka mpaka shaha ina katubakire tutandikira Dr. twabakira kunka kantandikira hali ya on the extreme.
Yes. Yebare munongo mutekansa program Madame Charity nabarebe ba TV West mwena nimbakira kandi ngaraka mbasima nsima na management ya Vision Group gumaniye tuhereza kiraka kuyija kushomesa abantu okutwakindura amagara gitu turukose byo kurya ngo mbazi ngaraka nsima partners abo tukoragana nabo aba barmu abakusupplying ebukozesa baba outreach tuine outreach farmers outreach program ntubasima ntubagabira ensugo tubegesa uko barazihinge kandi tugakatubagura hebintu so ntubasima bwenkwatanisa nsima abashubuza abo tukikiza ibyo kunya byetu bakabekuma je bakaguma ibyo byo mutindo bikaka abanyo babyo bikiri ebyo mutindo munonga kandi nyongera nsima na staff yona ya Kazire group of companies nabakore mushana necuro kurebeka ngo bohereza bwa janjare nsiyona nsima timu y'abagabuzi ero kurebeka ngo bohereza obu bwatambura ensiyona East Africa na nsiyona kuba ibyo kunywebi byahindukira ikintu tweta household item amaka nyamwingi nagabakozesa rero nkaba twire nababuza ngu omuhangu kabuzire kabatachi mureba kaba akire kakagenda nimba hamizangu nabariyo ariyo mu research nambwenu omushaheji naza kuba nabe yongera kureba ayongere kutwihurira ebyatwire natutekera uko muri research
katumwakira to yanjurure nabwanyuma tonjesereza Dr. twakwakira
webare mnonga Sister Charity kandi ninyongera kwakira abantu mwena abarutureba kandi abaturire kandi abwa program yebyamagara eyitutwire ntuhagira munonga ihanga okura kwaryo na nabantu okutunguka ni abantu bayeshanga amagara gabo garumarungi batine kushasha kwena ariko Sister Charity omuntu omwe yarwara akatwarwa umwirwaro hano mu rifaro harahabo kumugemurira harahabo kugaruka kurete sente kumurebera harahabo kumwirukaho so nikigaruze nyuma entunguka yeka so nico rukurebera ngo takabaho okutunguka oku ihanga ryito nabebembezi baryo bakusibana bateka ngo tushikeho amagara marungi gagatakashire mu bantu so itwenka Kazire health products okumara emyaka 25 hati eyinamara mu research okurwo mwaka gwa 1999 ndukora research on natural products nitugenderera kugira ngo habeho amagara marungi ombantu kandi abantu bamara kutunga amagara marungi nikimanyisa entunguka netekwa kubaho omuyihanga konke byona byaza kubaho notekwa kugira partners so ni nkoku omugabuzi yagambire ninyongera kusima partners bitu omu research nyenda kusima Mbara University of Science and Technology eyitro official partner nabo omu research nyenda kusima ba professors abakutwera mu kutwanda kuchondoza kwegera ngo twongere kwetegereza iki cyakora neki cyako magara go muntu nahabahoki nani nyenda kurwana sendwareji aharurengoru ninyetaga morchwe then nimbanyine kujiha mu cyo kurya ki then ijuka ngo Kazire group of companies twine Kazire Health Products Limited ejo nekore byo kunywa health products ibitari mu kikusinza cyona ejo mutwire no mujumanya twine Kazire Pharmaceuticals ejo nekore mbazi eje kazarwa Kazire Clinics of Phytotherapy namwe narukuto rukushuma rugazi clinic ejo roho twatwine clinics zukurenga 20 konka twagira ngo tuzute umwanya gumwe tubasike gukora research yitu na no kurango abantu bahwerwa endware zarema amarwaro twabasa kuzuhwera turukoresa teknolojia na science eyo kuruga umbyo kurya nangwa na n'indijo miti eriyo muhanga ryitu kandi nyenda kusima na office ya president na munonga secretariat ya science technology and innovation ahu ndukorera umukaturi aka therapeutics
ko nto kubaburire doctor
kashe tine kutukagira so ochitino sa president Museveni akatwigura misho munonga nka scientists so projection yitu twachireba kugira ngo Kazire tinkumweta owa Uganda hati at Kazire no wa Africa kandi very soon ningira Kazire naza kuba ryo wensiyona aho ko baturiyo to developing partnerships mu United Arab Emirates Baharabu abaharabu na bamwe abantu abinesete nyingi zona zijwiraho edini yabo neba horsa okushwera abakazi bakazibana abinje abaharabu bingi n'abasilamu kandi binesete nyingi konke byo kurya byaho tubiri birungi so hato mushija wo muharabu yakujya ngo balancing ningashi ajanjaze je rukundo yo wa sister Charity then naneyo ondijo Harima then nano wa Janati then nano wa Sharifa hati tayine kwako basapchikaho okwiyaho yakwataje kazi
hati Dr. Wabiri International tumanisa una technology
yes.
eri international so nanisha bango terezo mu gishogo tubanze twareba technology eyimuru kukoresa tubone turebe haje twigute tumanya ngo bintu bikarga harengo rwo kunyuka aharengo rwo kukama
omurabaratore no rugamu kandi technology itukoresa nebuga no mutindo gwensiyo naho kuba tugenderera ku exportinga
yes
then nko obwa hati Kazire eine factory omuri Tanzania tukuza commissioninga very soon kandi eine na distribution company mu Tanzania nabageta Kaz Trans Logistics Limited kandi turiyo tuzano kuza Zambia so hati Kazire tuwa Uganda Kazire no wa Africa
tukunyu kisangaro
ejo technology tekakora so kuto kwantokora research science yone turukunganya omunsi zone zinde zikubantuzamu twine mu partners ntutekwa kugereta tugito mu Uganda hati kimwe kitukuza kureba kiri hano omurombarra omurti factory yitu omurombarra city
exactly
Sophisticated state-of-the-art technology to deliver natural health products. The Kazire high range of nutritious and health drinks are produced using a very sophisticated state-of-the-art technology to deliver natural health products that have continuously improved the health and lives of everyday people. And this begs for the question, how do they do it?
The Kazire dream is changing the lives of people and their communities. So that's why our focus, we can import concentrates from India cheaply. And we can produce here some juice things, but it won't suit our vision. It's not one of the goals that can lead us to our vision. So that's why our goal as Kazire Health Products is to see the product from the garden up to the bottom, Ugandan made.
The process starts from the farms, where strong links have been built with the farmers who grow the fruits.
We want the farmer to farm. And from the farm, it must come to our cold storage. You saw at our reception, fruits arrive, they are washed, then cleaned, then graded, and put in the cold rooms. This lemon keeps fresh inside this cold room because of the temperature. From the cold rooms, they are sorted according to which product that is going to be processed.
Take, for example, the Kazire Vid fruit drink. made out of a combination of beetroot, pineapples, hibiscus subdarifa flowers, honey, and rose tea. The final product is a result of a meticulously studied process.
So the sugar beets are squeezed with this mechanical process whereby they are loaded on the conveyor, as you can now see. Then they will be squeezed out they will be pulverized. Then with the spiral juicer, the juice will be squeezed out of it.
The juice is sent to the refiner, but because the vit juice has another component of rose tea, it's taken through a multifunctional extractor.
At the other stage, we were looking at the mechanical extraction, but here we are at the physical extraction. For other products like green tea, like aloe vera, like cactus, you see, you cannot use a spiral extractor to get juice from it. The materials are loaded in this multifunctional spiral extractor to get juice from it. The materials are loaded in these multifunctional extractors, and with the help of steam from our steam generators, then it is flushed into, then like this cactus, once it is cut into smaller pieces, we flash in steam, then the juice will ooze out with all the nutrients and ingredients keeping intact. So from extraction, we got the blending point where it is blended together and taken to a sterilizer.
At the next stage, the blended juices are sterilized using milk technology.
This is one of the major vital areas for the process of production of Kazire health products. So at this point, it is where juice is sterilized and made aseptic. The juice is brought at a very high temperature of 135 degrees Celsius and cooled instantly to 60 degrees Celsius. For 3 seconds, you notice there is a very huge pump that will push this juice through at a very high speed, and with a countercurrent flow of cold water inside the coil of the sterilizer, the juice will be instantly cooled to 50 degrees Celsius in 3 seconds. Because we want to keep the nutrients intact, the high temperature in a short time won't affect the quality of the products and the nutrients. But the temperature difference will lead to shock to the microorganisms. They will all die. That's what we call ultra heat treatment. So this is like milk technology that we apply to Kazire juices to give them a natural taste and in a natural nature.
The juice from the sterilization tanks comes into the aseptic tanks.
Now juice comes to this lower section at the filling point. So we have an automatic computer-controlled valve here, which will sense the parameters, the qualities of the juice before it is accepted into the filling cylinder. Remember, now the bottles are coming from the bottle blowers and are coming automatically onto the conveyor, and in the first set of this machine. So we have an automatic computer-controlled valve here, which will sense the parameters, the qualities of the juice before it is accepted into the filling cylinder. Remember, now the bottles are coming from the bottle blowers and are coming automatically onto the conveyor, and in the first set of this machine, the bottles are being washed for all thorough quality checks. Then after washing, it is filled automatically, but this unit has it is a 3-in-1. It has the bottle washing unit, it has the filling unit, and the capping unit. So they are all inbuilt together for aseptic packaging. Cups are loaded into this cup sterilizer. The cups get sterilized. Then they are loaded in, they cap on automatically, and now as you can notice, juice now comes in here, then it goes through this light check, then it goes into the coolers. After being cooled, then it is put into crates for temperature stabilization.
The juice is in the bottles and now only requires branding, coding, and off to the shelf. Among the brands getting ready to grace the shelf is the Kazire Lemon Green Tea.
This brand is made of lemon, green tea, and cactus. So as we did more studies, we found the epigallocatechin in the green tea has the apoptosis property. This is a scientific nature in the body whereby if any cancer-causing compound enters your body cells and it penetrates the DNA, then the body will adopt a mechanism whereby that cell will kill itself and get off the system of the body. So when you consume it into your body, now you can see. Now what is going to happen? There is going to be a mechanism in my body called apoptosis. For example, if you eat fried meat, which has been fried with the cooking oil, then there is a cancer-causing compound, very potent, well-known, called 4,5-benzopyrene. It gets into your body. But even if it penetrates your body's fried meat, which has been fried with the cooking oil, then there is a cancer-causing compound, very potent, well-known, called 4,5-benzopyrene. It gets into your body. But even if it penetrates your body cells and you drink Kazile lemon green tea drink, because of the epigallocatechin in it and the D-limonene in it, immediately it will cause that apoptosis mechanism in your body. So you have actually healed yourself of cancer of 1 minute in your body. That's why it comes logical and intuitional that food is medicine.
After the branding and coding, the products are wrapped into cartons and laid on the pallets, ready for the market.
And labeled further to stand a shelf life of more than 6 months on the shelf, and when it is able to deliver nutritional health values. So that is the major secret for Kazire, from the garden naturally to the factory, then to the bottle, then on the shelf to the consumer.
God made man, God made Edward Kazire. Ebyoma byo twabireba, processes twazireba,
yes.
konkora ujungu rwaba rwingi. Mwagira ngo numbanza mwabiteka byayosya. Zahar 135 degrees Celsius.
So twabenturonda tukakora ki ate cyo kureberaho omubyo kunya bya Kazire takuzamu imibaze ndijo yona hati twaronda nice ekikorwaho kitagisirwe mu bindi bibazi byo kongera kurwaza umuntu twashangaga ry'amate hako amate wanda kunaga mu ndijo mbaza nigaza kufa so twacondoza twashanga ngo ntubasakoresa technology y'amate konka tugireto mu juice then hati juice yitu egume eyinebirisa byona ebyo kuba bijihangirwemu ko kuba tugikamura konka nko kuwareba buri kintu twantuza kukikamura hariho mu ruco yiturukuronda hariho akabaza ko kutwenda so twantu so akakabaza kutwenda ntuza kuronda tukorese cyoma ki ekirukihamu so nchero kora twine byoma ebirukamura birukunyiga eshande karugamo so nkena nasi emicungwa endumu ebyo byona twantu bikamura ntubinyiga za beetroot ntubinyiga juice shore konka hati kutukuza nka majani nkarza cactus nkaza na nabundo bushaka ubwo kushanga ngo obundi ntubwiho mbahinji tubwana kabwoma so ntwenda kubucencura kujegena mu obubazo uri obutukuronda bwayomere hataho ntekwa koresa ebibyinde byome buwarebe biringwa abashomereho ka science akace ntukwata technology ya succinate extraction succinate extractor ogwa karyo munya science then kuzobwenge bwe tubureta tubuta arurengo rwa industry nkuko abantu oreba so hati ebyona nkabishoma muri China konkanate kwa kubireta mu Uganda umwaka gwe 2018 so twaguma tukuza technology yeji kandi na government yatwera aho kuba obwiro obwo ebyome byo bikabiba bitaruho umushoro gona cyatwanguhira kutandika ikorero kakamutindo amafarma agwaga umwareba nyenda nsime government hati nko muri Masindi twineyo ekaze zirukwenda kwike 20 kandi government ekazitwa kugira ngo twongere kanyisa ejemisiri twamazire kushobora government muntu tungira obutare mu Kongo turiyo tuyigura obutare mu Tanzania turiyo tuza Zambia ubukitinisa President Museveni ya twa oburyo bwo kwatagana n'ekitongoro cya Uganda Investment Authority kugira ngo hakuba ekitekateko cye ni Umunya-Uganda uriyo no twara chaheru echo uriyo no guzayo ukaretera Uganda
sente buzaho mu kwiha products zona kugira ngo muye mu juice
twine n'abashubuzi twine abahingi binji abo turukoragana nabo hati nkamajyani ntugihazigara biturutu empanga za kabare zone jo biturutu yimukurebamu yona nene ijo mu factory yitanu yo mu rutumbarra kandi obwe turiyo tutebekana sa turiyo tuzakombeka factory ndijo nyacharra kandi ejiyo negendera kugira ngo tuza kutanka kongera kutware ibintu omdicweke bya West Africa hamwe n'abaharabu so twayombekere mikago kandi abaharabu betekatekere kugure cyo kunywa cyitwe cya Kazire Power Tonic akabane betagaga mani umushijomwe kuza kurebera bakazabana ngo bona babeje nibetage cyo kunywa cyitwe cya Kazire Power Tonic so haticho cyabire cyo mutindo gwensi yona so tuine ebinde ebyo kunywa abinjo wunda bakwebuza Kazire Power Tonic nukweri kushetyo omukatare wazamu nokor kugishangoto kanya ndakusima abanya-Uganda abashija hatu begiro kurebera amagara gawo speed yero kutamburiraho abana bavuga rutu bana barugayo Kazire Power Tonic niyo kubanza ko omurutu hakurataho Kazira Roivera abo kugera yo netamba byinje kwa ehwera abantu munda yamba abaza shukari abaza pressure bemishwija niyo kuba niyo kurataho then ayero kurataho ne Kazire Red Tonic eje yabacyara then churugaho hakurataho Kazire ya Lemon hako abinje nabagitaburo umuko kunywa nabakira kugikoresa bagitaburo umuza spirits kwenda ngo bacendeza obutwa obu haraji yakubeneto mukine cyabo za whisky za black label nebindi then hati abandi abamweni ndano batabura Red Tonic nabagitabura na wine abacyara binje bagitabara mu wayini akugambira tukundukanywe na nshenene kate ati nchizo mukati mpurandi jamagarago na gakomoro
abantu baburarwe kwasa
then abandi abashija bamwe hati bakwata Power Tonic ejo bagitabara na Guinness hora yakujya twumfutabara Power Tonic na Guinness atugwena timbe choma hati ebimwebyo nebyo abantu bobonka bejumburire hati Sister Charity Science na Technology ne rugaro ngoro orwo kubiyo mukama wayo abicondorze ukabe designinga hati ehinduke y'abantu bona abakubana bakoresa yes abakubana bakoresa product sezo bemanyira mu ibindi bintu byo mutano byebihama byabo dino kuba kuzikozesa so hati twenka Kazire ekitukujonanwa no kuranga twahamye ogwo mutindo kandi demand kwe kubane yongera twongera kukanyisa abahinji abo turukoragana nabo twongera koragana na government kujya tutunge amataka mahango ago kushanjukiraho tutakusindika abantu dero eco naco kitwongire amani kandi na nense zindi eziriyo nzitobutare ziriyo nzituretera ruyare kukura nka company kandi nabwe nkihanga hako bateki tuturetire mirimo yitwabantu yayeyongera so ombugufu science na teknolojia tino kuwa kubisindika wanunda kuze byamagara kandi rukwenda no kurete ntungu kombanda so omwe ombakugu abakukira kuchondoza mnongo mbya science na teknolojia Elon Musk buri izoba wareba na hata nayongera kujumbura no momba giga bakukiza yesento munsi yone abagiga nkaba Bill Gates na hata bakigezaho kuchondoza kurunda akakora ki kureba ngo teknolojia yayongera kwera amahanga gayongera kukura twine ebitongore nkaba Bayer ombire bwa covid kutwabetura hano tukora therapeutics obu tukorombazi gwa vidicine ogwa yambere munonga abarwire ba covid gukutyamba munonga abantu ba asthma abakwisya kubi gukuzibireze nkoro zitakucira kikaretera bo bakaba kirarwengo rwo gukora za vaccines embaze yo kukingiza cyatwera hati nshobora kurana no covid umwe yarubwe kwije ehuhamu konka tukura abantu barufa aho kuba abantu bakajemesa amagara gabo ginamani embaze za vidisini za arhona no gugwa mnywana wanje professor Gwanga abantu bazo mu Katare embaze bagishangamu oshangangu ihanga ryituriyo niryongera kutunguka na no kugenda omisho so Sister Charity ikintu cha science Arsaton ejo ne yambaba arsas so muntu no gwako yashira kutana keshagama yashira ko bakubi kare tukaba bakaba batwegesa arsas tuzikira konka ubwenobe bakugira ngo nyo magnesium yonka zikazita kubasa kucira ko magnesium tine tekutine mangu kutuze kironda konka okakabaza ka arsaton twakakoze tukakakorombishaka ebyina mango ko mureberonda byo munda so karyo mu pharmacies zono bwa hati so aho kubano yenda no kafuna arishini nyenko 5 zonka so ntugumizamo twinene ndije mbazi yitwine icyo ntukoraho na n'ekitongore cya National Drug Authority kubara mari kutwaza license zitu nayo ntugireta ntugiraki za certificates za notification nayo ntugireta ntandika kugisiya abantu nibatandika kugikoza so ito omurumo gwitu no kurebeka ngo twagita science technology na byo na twabigita konka science ito yitukora nayo kureta okuba jombantu kurango endwara twazirwanisa uburwire twabusindika konka turukorese by'abantu bakubasana bwe kuhinga tukibereta twabi processinga abantu bakabona nemirumo bakongera
edachikemwe doctor nani kushaba ngo tugikorese turukubumba
edachikemweji imyenda kusima
yes
kusima nsima abanya-Uganda mutukozere kituri mwatukunda kutwegesa muto mu nkora kandi nsime na government okutwagira nka scientists kureba ngo batwarumu yo korramu batwereza support nyenda nsime kitongore echa National Council of Science and Technology na chonchi twanguhiza tukuba ntwenda kora za research twatamu empaprazitu batwera ngarike nsime na university yanje ya Mbara University of Science and Technology abuturo official partners atukora research eyitwakubita tarukwebasiza itwenka kazire health products twenka nka factory kandi nka private sector konka bwejo private public partnership eyitwine na university ejo nabyo etuyambire munonga
kadra issue na neje namba yesumu doctor tinkumanya neyoha ne
ejesumu ne ya kazire health products ne ya factory kandi wagitera omushahazi hangwe ntukwakira then tukwera tukumanyisa echo kuba wano yenda then turengu wahwerwa kandi wayongera kubaje nyenda kubasima ntine bugarikiro nimbendezo kurara kurungi nywanu witi Yesu abarinde kandi abakorera ibyo ne mu Rwanda
amina ninjira ngwaho no twakoma ahabo kwebwa mu bya muri Nyankore tine tuza kushoborera kongeraho okuyo nito kumusima kugira ngo natakireke oguma natikaho natureba nerisho kandi akatuganirira imbozo nko kweri tukitereza tweko tuketegereza umukubasa kurangwa magara gate nabarwana gata mustari kingamba yirigenda emye mugabuzi webare mnonga Dr. Kazire we love you so much na baricho butunji Charity umuhereza tureba nuro kwanza ruri kwija mukama